Do you know why Buzz Aldrin, a crewmate of Neil Armstrong, didn't step on the moon first? No, they didn't toss a coin, and nor it was a last minute decision.
The answer mainly comes down to the spacecraft design. Inside the lunar module Eagle, the hatch was located on Armstrong's side and it opens inward. Because the cabin was extremely small and both astronauts were wearing bulky spacesuits, it would have been very difficult to Aldrin to step out the lunar module first. Neil Armstrong was also the commander of Apollo 11 mission, and Buzz Aldrin was the lunar module pilot of the mission. And NASA have already decided that the commander of the mission will step out the module first. NASA heavily focuses on minimizing risks. Any unnecessary movement inside the lunar module could increase the chances of damaging equipment. So they decided to execute the most easiest plan of exit. In the end, Armstrong stepped onto the moon first, followed by Buzz Aldrin a few minutes later, and both contributed equally to one of the most greatest achievements of humanity.
Do you know why you can tickle yourself, but others can? And even if someone warns you about tickling, and you know before they have tickled, you still feel it. Why?
Your brain uses something called the forward model, which basically means that it can predict the exact sensation of your own action before they can even happen. So when you try to tickle yourself, your brain already knows what's gonna feel like. Because there is no surprise, it reduces the response and the tickleness feeling almost disappears. But when someone else tickles you, your brain can't fully predict it, and the timing, pressure, movement are slightly unpredictable. And that uncertainty is what makes it feel ticklish and triggers a strong reaction. Now, here's the interesting part. Even if someone warns you before they even tickles you, you will still react to it. Why? Because knowing it's coming isn't the same as your brain precisely predicting the exact touch. Because your brain can voluntarily control their reaction or their movement. So that small variation still creates a surprise and causes the ticklish reaction in your body.
Why do people say bless you or God bless you when we sneeze? The answer might not be what you think.
Sneezing is basically your body's way of cleaning your trachea, but the phrase bless you didn't start because of science. It started from history and superstitions. One popular belief goes back to the time of Black Death in Europe. Sneezing was seen as an early sign of serious illness, so people would say God bless you as a form of prayer to others. Another belief was that sneezing could briefly push out your soul of your body or even let evil spirit in. So saying bless you was meant to guard the person from evil spirits. Even though we now know sneezing is completely normal and harmless, in most cases the habit stucks. So today when someone says bless you, it's not a medicine. It's a history, culture and a little bit of human care packed into two words.
Do aliens also need water? And if they don't, what else do they need to survive?
Water is extremely special. It can dissolve more substance than any other liquids. It is crucial for the chemistry inside the living cell. In the field of astrobiology, scientists have considered other possible life liquids. For example, ammonia could work at a very cold temperature, and methane exists at a liquid state on the Saturn's moon Titan. Even supercritical carbon dioxide could support life in extreme environments. But here's the catch. None of them match water's balance of stability, temperature range, and chemical flexibility. Water stays liquid in a wider range of conditions and supports complex reaction needed for biology. So there could be alien life using something else, possibly. But anything similar to Earth's life, water is still the best known foundation. In simpler terms, water isn't just important for life, it's the reason life works the way it does.